Are you really bald? Can I see your head? Why, Molly? Welcome to the channel, guys.
Why? Because that's a smart thing to do.
See how this look like?
You're not doing that to me. Where are we, baby? This is what? What is it? What is the name of the zoo?
Cape May County Park and Zoo.
Yeah, Cape May,
In
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yeah, we're in New Jersey today, guys. And look at this.
There. Yeah, you see?
Do you see that, guys? That's the bald eagle. Let me show you. It's right here. This place is huge, so let's get walking.
Somebody. It's okay.
There's a camel over there, baby. See the camel? See it right over there.
Let's look at the camel.
A camel too. Oh my goodness.
So the camel over there.
The camels are back there.
The bear.
That's her.
Let's go see the camel.
I just love hearing him say camel.
Camel.
Camel. Can't bother with my son. Not this son, this one.
This zoo is smoking.
The zoo is smoking?
Smoke free.
Smoke free. Oh, why would you smoke at the zoo?
Oh, me I think more like cook up.
That, see the one at the front? You see the one at the front? That's my camel too. See? Twin. Let's leave business.
Yeah. On the other side.
Yeah. I like how it don't look like they're in a cage, but they actually are in captivity, but they look like they're not.
We got alpacas.
Yes, ma.
It's a deer, but not Vanessa.
It's a bear.
Bears or deers?
Bears.
Because oh, here's a black one. Right?
You know, the sign says bears.
Huh? Hmm?
From the camel.
These are alpacas.
The llamas and alpacas, they're from the camel family.
Oh.
From the camel family.
Okay.
I think it's a camel and a sheep cross.
Really? Then all that?
Go over, sit down, look.
Oh, did they?
Come on, try and sit down.
It's not. It's trying to sit.
Huh?
Oh my goodness! You have arthritis.
I think a minute to get down.
Mama said the loose
See the what?
something.
Them have a,
They have colored eyes, so it's an absence of pigment cells in the skin.
So
Where
they're albinos.
it said they're confused with albinos.
Albinism.
They're diffuse to pale and white in color. Their eyes have colors.
Like the pink rabbit, the pink eye rabbit. Oh, there is the one.
They're probably dead.
Right there. See it? Let's move on. Thing is, guys, we aren't able to get very close to the animals because they're kind of like kept in the wild, but they're not so much in the wild, so they keep humans away from them, but you're able to see them clearly, but I'm not sure if I'm capturing them clearly for y'all. So let's try to bring the best experience I possibly can to you. So what I'll do is show you the pictures of them. Like right there, that's the llama.
Yeah, but there's a real llama.
Yeah, but they're far away and we're not able to get them. So therefore, I'll show you all the pictures if you're not able to see them closely. Okay? I love this zoo though. Hmm?
Bison.
Oh, it's right there.
Ew, they're big.
North American
Prairie.
prairie.
Another one. Oh, I baby. Yeah, there's a baby right there.
They're huge. There's one close by.
You can see it better over here.
This is Tony Shea, my niece.
Free.
There's 8. Look, there's babies.
Huh?
Where?
There's 7 and 1 baby. This one's a baby right here on the other side. This one's a baby.
Oh, it does look smaller.
And then there's 2 babies over here.
Those are big. Those are not babies.
They are.
Shanna, there's a huge one right here. Where is it?
It's
Oh, it went
underneath.
under.
Alright.
It's underneath.
Hiding.
Careful. No, you
You see it, Abby?
There's one underneath the fridge.
hide.
Oh, I see one underneath.
But this one on the left, that's one that's having my boy.
They're huge.
There is one underneath. Its head
Look at
looks
that one
big.
back there.
Its head. Those 2 are babies. The ones that are laying together are babies.
Oh,
That one's like, it looks like it's like in the
It's
middle
huge.
stage, but its head is huge, but like that one's even bigger over there.
come back. Let's move on.
There's one under, so be careful.
Can you tell who's the pop mommy?
I most certainly believe that big one is.
Can you tell who's the daddy?
At our home, our daddy's the biggest person, isn't he? So we're gonna assume that's the dad. Right now? Yeah.
One under the bridge. Yeah, but where?
You can't want to call a guy go find one nice bull of yard. You can't make up one new generation.
What do you mean? Oh, we'll get it on the plane.
That's a small thing. We can't
You
figure
have
it.
links though.
We have
I believe in you.
Tell about it, tell about it.
I believe in you, man.
I think look at beef.
Beef for days.
Look at beef.
That is what oxtail come from. It's not no cow.
Axe. Tell them. This question I've been asking for years. What is oxtail?
It's not
Don't
cow. It is that bison.
Finally find them.
Where are the ox?
Mikhail.
Ooh. Baby, me like how them keep it look like in the wild. You know, you know, see them in a
Nature.
yeah, not a small
Natural.
cage.
Cheetah, them supposed to be in there somewhere.
Where?
But them are cheetah. You
They
notice
hide in.
how them have the enclosure kind of built that way there. Upside down kind of sort of car. They will climb that box side.
Oh,
A cat, them in a big cat.
Where is it?
Them are hiding.
Remember, you know, they are cheaters, you know, so
they're cheating.
to see them. You understand?
You see one, Abby?
Some big stone. Your glasses now work.
So the lazy, oh, that lion?
Back up on the other side.
It looked like a
Lazy,
lioness.
What's in here?
The lion up on the other side.
Oh, so the cheetah over there is way over.
See, they're in the corner.
Yeah,
I have a circle.
Little lion.
but the lions are here.
Lioness and the lion.
African Osh baby. Oh.
There's a
They're
male and a
sleeping.
female.
The lion is over there and the lioness right here.
Male.
Them sleeping. Look how peaceful. Swish, 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 swish. Come, kitty. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, just gonna have to show you their pictures. Yes, baby. Where are you, cheetah?
Over there.
I saw her. Cheater. Come. Lions are sleeping.
Sleeping. Can't see them.
So tiny. Tiny little monkeys. Let's see what they are. Tiny not have no idea.
Can we take him home?
I know my monkeys. Stop talking to me.
Stop shouting, please.
I know my monkeys. It's a marmoset. It's a pygmy. Pygmy. A pygmy.
So you just leave it to such a, you understand me? I say?
She wake up.
Hey,
Come, kitty.
so one chicken
There's
over
no
there.
way you just shoot.
But them a cat. Look here, kitty. She's not paying any mind. You're a small
Man
cat.
too trick like he must say, ooh, you not make. You can't take it?
You're gonna have to roar a little louder.
No man, with it pride.
Oh, a female goat?
Right here.
I cannot believe you.
Michael wants to see the two.
Where is it?
Michael wants to see the two. Right, come,
Let's move on. Maybe I saw some tiny monkeys. I told you. We weren't
Tiny
going.
monkeys
Yeah.
over that side.
Guys, we probably will have to bring you a part 2 as per usual.
Ready?
Oh, see some tiny monkeys here?
See there?
Mm-hmm. 2 little tiny things. They're right there. They're grooming each other.
You want to see that? See the two monkeys right there? You see that?
That King Julian. Just look. Abs, come.
Which one?
This animal.
Which animal is this?
Yes.
Capybara.
Hmm?
I know that bird they're laughing up for them anymore.
Tell him.
That bird they're laughing up. I'm trying to. I just see that so far.
Mom,
Hmm?
what animal this is?
That one? What is Malik? What is that animal? Tell him, please.
Capybara.
Capybara, baby. Come. Come, Anna, come. Come.
See some after that man.
Yeah. It's a bird. Ask me which bird. It is a kookaburra. Kookaburra. So on up. Look at it. This is it, Mikael. Look. See it here, baby.
It's ugly.
Yes, it is very big. No, see, that's the animal right there, Abby. It's a huge rodent.
It's 12 years and it could be 150 pounds.
Yeah. Abby, if you look on the ground right there, that's it. No, that you're gonna have to look.
Diet.
Is that a real bird?
Yes, it is.
Awesome, never
It's a real bird.
Oh my goodness.
It's
Let's go.
real.
Let's go.
It's a real.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, gonna. Yeah. Look right there. And there are plenty of turtles in there. See it there? That's it's a huge rodent and people have them as pets.
Did you know that?
Yeah, open in the window.
Oh my goodness. But where
I use them teeth make jewelry.
but if you can eat rabbit, why not?
Them eat them, I use them teeth make jewelry.
Alright guys, so we're gonna bring to you part 2 in a minute. Alright, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Say bye, Abby.
Bye guys, I'm gonna go enjoy myself. This is my type of thing. Yeah.